So one of my patients this week, after I adjusted her, she said, "Oh, that feels so much better in my neck." And I'm like, "Awesome." And she was like, "But I noticed that my neck didn't crack on the one side." And I was like, "Ooh, this is a good one because it happens all the time." This topic comes up constantly. So I thought, let's take a minute to just explain what happens during an adjustment and what that sound is. First of all, it's not bones grinding. That's not what happens. We call that a cavitation. It's basically a release of pressure inside of a gas, inside of a joint, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It doesn't have to happen. I remember one of my professors years ago, he said, "Don't seek the sound because it doesn't matter. I'm always gonna check before, I'm gonna adjust the subluxation, and I'm always gonna feel after to make sure things are moving." So the sound, it doesn't matter. I hope that dispels that myth. Stay tuned for my next one. It's a good one. It's one that I hear all the time as well too. So cheers, have a good day.